Hey everyone! If you're looking for a way to secure your sensitive documents, whether it's a report, budget sheet, or presentation, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add password protection to your files in WPS Writer, Spreadsheet, and Presentation, so you can keep your work safe. And don't forget, you can download WPS Office for free using the link in the description below. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Protecting documents in WPS Writer. First up, let's start with WPS Writer, where you can protect your text documents with a password. Open your document in WPS Writer. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Scroll down to Save As, then click it. In the Save As window, you'll see an Encrypt option at the bottom. Click on it. You will see Open Permission and Edit Permission options. There you will see a field to enter a password. Enter your password, confirm it, and click OK. Now when you try to open this file, WPS Writer will ask for the password before allowing access. This adds a layer of protection to keep your document safe, whether it's a work report or a personal project. Step 2. Protecting spreadsheets in WPS Spreadsheet. Open your spreadsheet in WPS Spreadsheet. Go to the File tab, just like in Writer. Click on Save As, and then look for the Encrypt button. Click on Encrypt, and you will see Open Permission and Edit Permission options. Simply enter a password that you'll remember, but others won't guess. Click OK to confirm your password. Now your spreadsheet is locked. Anyone who tries to open it will need to enter the password you set. This is especially useful for securing sensitive financial data, project planning, or even personal budgets. Step 3. Protecting presentations in WPS Presentation. Finally, let's secure your WPS Presentation, PowerPoint alternative. Open your WPS Presentation file. Click on the File tab at the top left. Choose Save As, then click on Encrypt at the bottom of the Save As window. Follow the same steps. Enter and confirm your desired password in the Encrypt window. Click OK, and now your presentation is password protected. The next time you open it, you'll need to enter the password to gain access. This is perfect for protecting important client presentations, personal projects, or anything you want to keep private. So why is this important? Password protection is key to keeping your confidential information safe. Whether it's business plans, personal projects, or private data, this feature in WPS Office helps you feel in control and secure, even if someone else accesses your device. This is a simple way to feel accomplished. You've now secured your documents with password protection in WPS Writer, Spreadsheet, and Presentation, giving you peace of mind about your file's safety. If you don't have WPS Office yet, download it for free using the link in the description below. It's a powerful, lightweight office suite that works perfectly for keeping your documents safe and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see more tips on WPS Office. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.